Oh, hi, and welcome to This Thing's Got Problems. I'm Eric, and the thing that has problems today is probably your Harley Davidson. Black engines. Why do they look like crap even after you try scrubbing them and washing them, and it just remains looking just bad overall? As I've said before, this is a know your enemy type of situation. Are you dealing with grease? Are you dealing with road grime? Are you dealing with brake dust? Brake dust travels from the front rotors to your engine and your primary and your brake pedals and your shifter, and like all that brown crap does not come off even after all the scrubbing. You're probably using the wrong product. Yes, you can use wheel acid. It's actually what I use because usually it's fine, but on the natural engines, without the silver paint, without the black paint, and it's just that pot metal look, it'll stain it. So we're going to try some stuff out from CycleCare that's supposedly safe on all the surfaces of the motor: chrome, paint, aluminum, pot metal, all that. And we're going to see if it works. To me, just based off of experience, it smells a little like, like a purple muscle degreaser type of thing. So will it work on the brake dust? I don't know. But we're going to give it a shot, and we're going to see how it goes. It might work, it might not. But let's go take a look and see how this all goes. All right, here we go. We're going to clean up this 2006-ish, 7-ish Street Bob. Black engine, got some natural unfinished metal to it, so you can't just go throwing the wheel acid on her because you'll stain those parts. But how do you clean the black? Well, we're going to try out some new products here. I mean, look how it's just been outside, I think. It's just been outside is all you can really say to describe this bad boy right here. So what we're going to use is something from CycleCare. This is the Safe Clean. You can spray it all over the entire engine. And I'm going to use some spray away to follow up, only because I'm not in a wash bay right now with a hose. So it says hit it up as a dry motor. Let it soak a bit, and then grab your brush and just start getting at her. So sometimes go in a swirly motion, or sometimes, a stabby motion. Sometimes the stabbing, believe it or not, will actually dig it out of the crevices. So after I scrubbed it all down, I'm going to hit it up with spray away. This is just, you could use a hose. I'm doing this just because I'm in, a bay I don't want to get soaking wet. I'm using it to rinse, basically, is all I'm doing here. And it's not bad. Grab the blowgun and dried it off real good so I can see what I'm working with. And I got to tell you, I mean, it's not terrible. There's a little spot there where the derby cover is. A little stain there. Try to hit that again. Now it's time for chaos. This is your pocket cam action right here. Cue the metal. Well, that view made me violently ill. Not sure I'll ever do that again. So I cleaned the bike up in the wash bay when it was open and gave her a good quick buff. And you could see, it made washing way easier after doing the whole scrubbing thing right here. And it rinsed off the rest of the residue and whatever film was left behind. So I'm going to hit it up with the CycleCare Black and Silver Enhancer. And this just kind of, it's a safe engine gloss, I guess. It's not silicone base, so, it's not going to catch on fire or whatever. I don't know. It's a water base. Throw it on there. I'm honestly, I'm kind of convinced it might just be watered down Armor All. But I threw it on there and then, dabbed it dry because I don't like it dripping and super glossy. You just want it clean and black looking, right? I did repaint the pipes there. But other than that, this was more just to show you how to use this stuff to clean off your black engines, because they always seem to be the hardest. And the problem is, you wash them, you get it wet, that thing looks black and looks great, then it dries and it's like, what happened? Looks like absolute hell. So you have to start all over again. So here's your finished product. I gotta say, I kind of dig it. It's not terrible at all. Did you guys learn anything? I was over there working on the C10 while past me was working on the voiceover for the pastor, me, do it, not pastor, what? The me to clean the motorcycle. Anyways, did you guys learn anything? Is CycleCare a thing for you? The cleaner? It seemed to work okay. It wasn't bad. Is it as good as just hitting it up with wheel acid? Probably not, but it's a lot safer for sure. And if you're worried about staining your concrete or staining your other engine components or whatever, this is probably the way to go. Takes a little bit more work, but you know, you gotta get that brake dust and the grime and all that off, because a black motor looks good when it's clean, but man, as soon as it isn't, it's like, it looks like it's got a million miles on it, and sometimes they don't deserve it. So, hope you learned something. Thanks for watching and subscribing and following along with the motorcycle things and the C10 over. It's back there. Trust me, it's not going anywhere for a while. Thanks for following along with all that, and subscribe if you haven't. That's about it. All right, we'll see you next time.